All right, for this problem, it's another thermochemistry problem. I'm going to go ahead and underline all the given information. So we are given 5 variables. I only underlined 4, but the final temperature of the mixture upon reaching thermal equilibrium counts as 2 variables, and I'll show you why. But to start, I will write down the equation that we are going to be using. MCAT equals negative MCAT. Oh, also note we are asked to find the mass of water. So we're going to be solving for M, one of these M's. And just to remind you, M stands for mass, C stands for heat capacity, and triangle T stands for change in temperature. And I'm just going to rewrite this equation so that we can plug in all of our variables. So change in temperature can be rewritten as temperature final minus temperature initial. So then, since we're asked to find the mass of water, I think I'm going to go ahead and isolate M. Yeah, so M is equal to negative. And it can be confusing because I didn't put subscripts to denote which mass belongs to water and which heat capacity belongs to water. So I'll go ahead and write that down right now. I think the subscript you can write like H2O or iron. I'm just going to put 1 and 2. And then here, the subscript would be 1, 2, and 2. Yeah. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and just plug in all of the information. We have 5 variables. I'm going to solve for the 6th. So the mass, we're given 32.5. Heat capacity of iron, after looking it up, I found it to be 0.4605 joules divided by grams times degrees Celsius. And then it's given that our temperature initial is at 22.7 degrees Celsius. However, it's also given that our final temperature is 59.5 degrees Celsius. So by plugging that in, you're going to get 59.5 degrees Celsius minus 22.7 degrees Celsius. And our heat capacity of water is always going to be 4.18. Temperature final, again, it's given to be 59.5. And then our temperature initial of the water is 63.2 degrees Celsius. So, what you want? I'm going to go ahead and simplify it by one step. And also note that the units will cancel out except for this one gram here. The reason being is that since we're solving for mass, the only unit that should be left should be grams. Okay, so from here, you want to go ahead and solve the rest on the calculator. And your answer is going to be 35.6 grams. And notice how we have a negative here. Oh, we have a negative at the beginning, yet this negative will be canceled out by this negative. It all works out. And 35.6 is our final answer for the mass of water. Thank you for watching.